Good morning and welcome to the market view for Thursday, the 17th of April 2014. This is the final market view for this week and will be until Tuesday next as we head into the Easter weekend. So let's have a look at the daily chart, see what happened during yesterday. We see the market move sharply higher as the unemployment figures were came out and released and moved higher, back up towards the 168.21 level, and as you can see on the overnight, the market's actually broken through this level now and heading back up to the 168.50 level there. So definitely the market resuming its uptrend at the moment and taking on new highs. But how do the highs of yesterday actually fit in with the bigger picture? So let's just have a look in the navigation. I'm just going to compress all of the data, which you do by clicking on the zoom and then just dragging the chart to the left, and you'll see it change from a bar chart into a line on close chart. So you can see all the way back to 2009. This is July 2009. You can see we had a high of 160. Well, actually, it's actually just under 170 there. So, sorry, just over 170 to the pound there, and that is the highest it's been for some time. Let me just do this, and then there you go. Now you can see that we've been stuck in this sideways range for the last 5 years of the market consolidating there in the bigger time frames, and we can see we came off the highs of 185 in 2008 to find the downside target there of 137. This is of course the credit crunch that happened in late August of 2008. So the pound has got some way to go to get back up to those levels, but 170 is a major psychological level, so it will be interesting to see how the market reacts to this when it gets to it. So at the moment, continuing to move higher. It's just a shame that we're not actually getting the signals, or if we're getting the signals, they're not getting filled. Yesterday the market moved up slowly. Again, this is indicative of a market that's got most of its traders away, where it can go in one direction without finding any resistance, either up or down. So you can see we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bars there of green bars. Price is moving higher until we find some selling here, and then the market just pulls back, consolidates. We had the opportunity of a buy there. Unfortunately, it didn't get filled. So the market moved higher based upon the prospect that the market was going to show better unemployment figures, which it did, and then the market consolidating after that, which is a pattern we had about 2 months ago actually. On the overnight market, something's obviously happened and pushed the market through the 168.21 level, is it? Yep, 168.21. At the moment, the market actually trading through this and then consolidating once more. We've got the R1 level there, which is the resistance 1 pivot that the market is currently struggling with there. So any pullback and a signal could see the market move and drive higher. Just going back to the daily chart, at the moment I can't give you any more targets because we're back to 2009. So it's a case of watching the psychological levels of 168.50, 169 and so on up to 170. So that's about it for the market activity. Like I say, it's a strange week. It's Easter week. The schools are off, and it's not uncommon that we're seeing what we're actually seeing. So hopefully from Tuesday next we get back to some sort of decent trading as well. Let's just have a quick look at the news before we conclude. We've got unemployment claims for the US today at 130, and the Philly Fed manufacturing index, and that's all we've got today from the US. And again, they close tomorrow, as does everybody else as well. Being asked a couple of questions about what I'm doing with the Dow, and I don't want to sort of preempt anything here at the moment, so I was hoping to release it all in one go, but I've got a couple of questions. First of all, which spread betting company am I using? Well, I'm using ETX for that, but if you have an account with GKFX, the data is more or less the same, and the code is WS30. I will release more on this next week. I'm still putting a few notes together for you. So at some point next week I will be releasing this. So far so good. Bit of an odd day yesterday, but again, same as the pound, we're in holiday week, so we can end up with a bit more choppiness and sideways action. But on the whole, so far, very happy with the results, which show a fair number of pips achieved as well. Nothing complex, just based upon a few changes and tweaks in the settings for the PTPs, and added in some of the triple X's at the moment, and I use the proviso at the moment as well. But so far, so good. Very happy indeed with the results. Several hundred points this week. Right, I will leave you with that. All that's left for me to do today is to wish you a wonderful Easter. Have a great time. Have a rest. Enjoy the weather. Let's hope it remains that way. If you're living in the UK, it's the best we've had so far this year. It needs to warm up a bit and stay like that until Christmas, in my opinion. But it's better than the rain that we had during Christmas. Right, as ever, thanks for your support and for watching. Have a good one.